Ah, oh, that's hot.
Shit. Here
That's
we go
hot.
again.
Hey people, Gary here. And today we're gonna be promoting our $25 all-in-one digital business using MyLead Gen Secrets. Now, as you know, the $25 all-in-one business gives you recurring commission, 80% recurring commissions once you get a sale on it. So, and it's the best program I ever found. So we're using to see how many sales we can get using MyLead Gen Secrets. So far, we have 3 sales. We had 4, one person opt out. I won't lie to you guys. I'll tell y'all when I get sales and when I don't get sales. We almost done though. I think this is the 29th day. We only got one more day after this, and then I think we done with this little test. So hopefully, I'm hoping to get one more sale before the 30th day. So at least one more sale. All right. So this is what we're gonna do here. We're gonna hop on MyLead Gen Secrets here. We're gonna use an email that I already done written here. Let's go with this one, full week. All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna look over the statistics here and find out which emails did really well. All right, uploading it to real online, full week and something. I think that's the best one. Yeah, full week. We're gonna go with the full week one. All right. Now we know what email we're gonna use. Since it did well the first time, let's see how well it does this time. Right here, full week and the money keeps climbing. So we just copy that. Space there. Everything looks good. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna go with this. We're gonna just send this email, guys. So, boom. Now right here, we don't have to copy or paste because it's already in the system. And that's the cool thing about it. So you don't even gotta copy paste this email because I already got it. So I don't have to make a new tab or anything like that because I just do the same thing in that one. Simply the same thing here. Full week. Keep climbing, load. Boom. And there you go. In the email. Really that simple. Make sure you hit perfect time. Perfect timing does send an email around the time that people check their emails. So yeah. Alright, we're just gonna log out of this one on the 3rd account already, guys. We ain't spent no time on this at all, to be honest. I'll probably go over how much money you can really make using this system and why I think it's so impressive. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, okay, I did it on this one. Boom, boom. All right, so that's done, guys. My mailing system situation is done. Just that quick, guys. It only took about 3 minutes. All right, so the reason why I'm promoting this item, it's the best system I've found. It is, let me see if I can find something. It's 80% recurring commissions, and you can make over $120 per person, right? I got 3 people in the system, so I'm only making money by being in it. 80 pays you 80% commissions, guys. All right, you'll get up to $120 per month per customer. That's pretty crazy, right? Yeah. That's crazy, man. And the way the amount adds up, if you get a sale a week, you'll make 74 a month, a year. You get 2 sales a week, you're making 140 by the end of the year. If you get 3 sales a week, you're making 200 by the end of the year. That's crazy money, man. You just need 1 sale a week to make $6,000 per month. That's insane. So yeah, that's why I'm in the system, man. Because I want to build income that lasts. I don't want to just get 1 sale and then have to get that same sale. Once you get 1 sale, it stacks. on the amount of money you'll make. So that's why I'm promoting it. I think it's the best system on the internet to promote right now. 80% recurring commissions. Who can beat that? Nothing beats that, guys. So yeah, just give it a shot. See how it works out for you guys. And that's how I'm making my money. That's how I'm gonna try to build this next income for myself. And I want you guys to do the same thing. Build some income. You gotta put some hope on it. We got the links in the description, to help you. To get started with the system here. And you just get a ton of value for this system. Like, it's not just something you pay for and then you promote it. It's a funnel builder that you're gonna need anyway if you want to do online business. It's stuff that you're gonna need to pay for anyway, like a funnel builder, training on how to promote stuff, updated training every month. You talk to people who getting tons of sales, making hundreds of millions of dollars doing this. Well, I don't think anybody making millions yet. It's pretty new, so I don't think anybody making millions. But I'm pretty sure people already got to like 100,000. And you talk to these people, and they actually, they teach you all kind of stuff, like how to do particular traffic and stuff like that, being in the system. So you get everything you can possibly get. You can talk to these people. They're private Facebooks, Skypes, webinars on Zoom or whatever, and you can just ask people. It's so much information that you guys can get from this, and I just want to make sure I bring this to you guys because I think it's the best system to promote right now. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Peace.